Hi everyone. In the previous video we learned about LCM. And we also found out the LCM of 3 and 6, which is 6. The LCM of these two numbers is 6. What we did was that we listed the table of 3 and 6 and then we took out the least common multiple. But what if instead of 3 and 6 we have the numbers 88 and 90? What would we do? It is not possible for us to write down the tables of 88 and 90 and then take out the least common multiple. That would take a very long time. Now there is a technique called prime factorization. Prime factorization helps us to find the LCM of any number. So as the name suggests that in prime factorization we will be using prime numbers and factors. I will give you an example to explain what prime factorization is. So let's say that we have two numbers. $30 and $45, and we have to find their LCM. Now we will find their LCM using prime factorization. So first of all, what we will do is that we will make two columns. Over here we will have the numbers of which we have to find the LCM, and over here we will write down the prime factors of these two numbers. So what is the smallest common prime factor of 30 and 45? The smallest common prime factor of 30 and 45 is 3. Now we will write down 3 over here and we will divide both numbers by 3. So we will be left with 10 and 15. Now we will take out another smallest common prime factor. Now the smallest common prime factor of 10 and 15 is 5. Now divide both numbers by 5 and we will be left with 2 and 3. So is there any common prime factor of 2 and 3? There is not. So we will stop over here, and then what we will do is that we will multiply these four numbers. Okay, so we will multiply these four numbers. 3 times 5 times 2 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 and 2 times 3 is 6. And 15 times 6 is 90. So the LCM of 30 and 45 is 90. Now let's prove this using the same technique that we used in the previous video. So let's write the tables of 30 and 45, but instead of multiplying both numbers till 10, we will multiply them till 5. Okay, so first of all, 30 times 1 is 30. 30 times 2 is 60, 30 times 3 is 90. 30 times 4 is 120. 30 times 5 is 150. Okay, let's do one more. 30 times 6 is 180. Okay, now let's write the table of 45. So 45 times 1 is 45. 45 times 2 is 90. 45 times 3 is 135. 45 times 4 is 180. 45 times 5 is 225, and 45 times 6 is 270. Okay, now we will take out the common multiples of 30 and 45. So the first common multiple is 90, and the second common multiple is 180, but the least common multiple is 90. I hope you understood.